Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am doing an unboxing of Boxycharm for the month of November. So this time I am on schedule, and as you can see, as always, I have not opened it. Well, almost always, unless I have to refilm. So let's get started so I can see what goodies are in this box. I honestly don't remember what's supposed to be in here, so I'm kind of excited right now to see what it is. Okay, and as always it says hello Charmer, and then this on top, which is, let's see, it is the Gold Digger. I think it has brushes in here, I can't remember, but we'll go through this when at the end, like as always, so you know the prices and I can roughly estimate how much. Ooh, whoops. And this is what's in here. So let's get started. First thing is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and they look like this, really pretty. I don't know if I'll get any use out of these because I'm not good at putting on lashes, but they are really pretty. So there's those. And then I'll go for the one that just wanted to fall out of the box, which is Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Let's see if I could get it open. Come on. Okay. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Plastic does not want to come off. Okay, here it goes. Just took the top part off, and this is what it looks like. You can see the glitter in it, and then I'm gonna swatch, and you can still see the glitter. It's really pretty. I don't know if I will use it myself just because my eyes are really sensitive and I don't know if the glitter will fall into my eyes or not. And this is what's next. It's the Luxie brush set. I love getting makeup brushes in any boxes. And Luxie, they have some really amazing brushes. And Boxycharm and Luxie work together quite often, and I believe these were made special for Boxycharm this month. I believe. I'm not 100% sure. So here's all the brushes. This is the Luxie 111 Mini Flat Angled. Whoops. And it is slightly angled. This is, it's got glitter in the handle. You can't see the name. The name is right there. I don't think you can see it though because of the lighting. And next is the Luxie 141 Mini Round. All of their brushes are so soft. They're synthetic and cruelty-free, which I love. And then this is the Luxie 121 Mini Tapered. And then last is the Luxie 131 Mini Angled. They are really soft, which is great. And next is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. let's open this. These look beautiful. It's a really good sized bottle. Little dropper. I'm just gonna swatch it. That's what it looks like.
You did not.
Yes, you did. You ruined my whole video.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I can't edit it. There's that. And then next is, I believe it's a palette by Ace Butte, I think is how you pronounce it. It's the Grandiose palette. Oops. Beautiful colors. I really like this one right here. And the cinnamon. I love cinnamon colors. But the poppy is also pretty. It's really pretty. I'm going to try just to swatch them real quick and then I'll show you. That's the glitter one. It's called Jasmine. The next one is called Clove. It looks like a coral pink. Next one is Myrtle. And then one of my favorites, Cinnamon. I love colors like this. And then, oh, these are named after plants. God, I'm into stuff like that. So this is patchouli. I don't know if you could see that right there. That's patchouli. And then there's rose. And then poppy, another one that I really like. That's so pretty. And then primrose. Those are beautiful. And that's the palette again. And the swatches. Really pretty. Okay. And that's it for the box. Now I can go through and show you what the prices of everything. Okay. So, again, this is Gold Digger. And then it talks about Boxyluxe on the back, which I'm hoping to get next month. And then first thing is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in Nova. This is $44. So you pay $21 for your Boxycharm, and it's already covered when you get this. That's just amazing. Next is the Ace Butte Grandiose palette. Not sure if I'm pronouncing this right. It has 4 shimmers and 4 mattes, as I showed you in the swatches. And this is $24.99. Really pretty palette. And then the 4 brushes, the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. This is $21 for these. And Luxie's brushes are so soft and versatile. They are amazing. I think most of my brushes are Luxie brushes, so they're beautiful. And next is the Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. This is $5, and again, the swatch is right there. You can really see the glitter in it, so it's really pretty. But like I said, my eyes are sensitive. I don't know if the glitter would get in my eyes or not. If anyone knows, let me know so I can use it, because it is very pretty. And last is the Lashaholic lashes, the Instaglam false lashes is what they're called. And these are $14.99 for these ones. They are really pretty. So, but like I said, I'm not confident in putting on lashes, so I don't know if I'd wear them. But that is, let's see, I want to say like $120, $130, maybe a little bit more for this whole box, and you only pay $21. So it's amazing, especially this. Oh my goodness, look at that swatch right there. That is so pretty. And even blending it out, it's stunning. So pretty. Especially for somebody that likes glitter, it would be perfect for them. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.